Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In Asia, the journey of wheat begins with farmers carefully selecting seeds, preparing the soil, and sowing the seeds during the optimal planting season. As the wheat grows, it requires just the right amount of water, which farmers ensure through a combination of natural rainfall and irrigation. Once the wheat fields turn a beautiful golden hue, it's harvest time. Farmers use a mix of traditional hand tools and modern machinery to cut the wheat and separate the grains from the chaff. The harvested grains are then meticulously washed to remove any dirt or impurities. This washing process is crucial for maintaining the quality and safety of the wheat. After washing, the grains are spread out to dry thoroughly, ensuring they are completely free of moisture before being stored in clean, dry containers to prevent mold and spoilage. Once stored, the next step is to transform these grains into flour. In many parts of Asia, this is done at local flour mills or with small home-based flour machines. People bring their dried wheat to these mills, where it is ground into fine flour. This freshly milled flour is then used to make roti, a staple in many Asian diets. The process of making roti begins with mixing the flour with water and a pinch of salt to create a soft dough. The dough is kneaded until it becomes smooth and elastic. Small portions of the dough are rolled into thin circles and then cooked on a hot griddle where they puff up and develop a delicious, slightly charred flavor. This entire journey from the wheat fields to the freshly made roti highlights the hard work and dedication of farmers and the cultural importance of this humble grain in Asian cuisine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into our food and culture. Thanks for watching.